Hello guys, welcome back to part 3. On the last video I ended up where I wanted to construct a nut. Okay, as you can see, because of time I did construct a nut. So I started by drawing the top view, construction top view here, and then I transfer each and every dimension. And also don't forget this one, remember the bush. So I said it goes inside here. So here's the bush. So we have the bush here. So front view is complete. Now it's time to do the section. So I hope everybody knows how to construct a nut. So a nut was constructed here. So here inside it's your shoulder pin, and then you draw a nut. So the assembly is complete. Now it's time to do the section. So after the section, we're gonna draw the left view. So this is how you do section. So for this one, because it's a different part, you do the opposite. Now the section is done. So this is how you section it. Remember, you don't section a web, and you don't section a pin or a shaft. You see? And then don't forget to name sectional front view, and then don't forget to name your sectional line. Sectional line YY. So now it's time to draw the left view. So the left view, remember, when a section you use 45-degree angle, and then to transfer the dimension, you draw a vertical line like this, and then draw a line at 45-degree. This one here is 45-degree, so that you will be able to transfer all the required dimensions. So like this one, I forgot to transfer this one and this one. So you're gonna transfer them like that, so it will be easier. So when we look from this side, we'll see this complete pulley. So you see the complete pulley with, and then I'm gonna track it. So it's gonna start here, and then and here, this is a point, and then another point is this one. in this one. So just gonna draw a solid line like that, and another solid line. And then from there, there's this part which is 90. So I'm just going to measure my distance. And mark like that. So it's like this. Remember, on your side left view, the top view was not required. So it means you are gonna just have these two views. So don't no hidden detail. The instruction said don't draw hidden details. So this is how you're gonna see your pulley from the left view. And also you're gonna see this one. So I'm just gonna transfer the measurements. So it's gonna be like that. And you see, we're gonna see this part, so we'll draw this line here, and then this one is here. So it means we will join this one here. And then now we're gonna draw this one here. So I'm also gonna just transfer the measurements. So it's gonna be like this. And then from there we're gonna see this part here. So I'm just gonna transfer the measurement again. And then you draw like this. From there, when you look from, you see, this is the top view of your nut. So when you look from the left, you see two sides. So what you need to do, this one. So what you need to do, you will transfer them like this and then come down, but because of time I'll just transfer the measurement by compass. So it's gonna be like this. So in a case, you just transfer them, and then when you come here, you draw your 45-degree line to transfer them. And sorry about the mess. I see my drawings. It's messy. So then remember to draw the construction lines. And then you come and take a compass. And draw a curve like that. Now it's complete. This is the left view of your nut. What's left now is to draw this one. So, and I forgot to explain to draw these threads. You see M32, you multiply that by 0.1 and then you get the length of the thickness of the threads. In my case, they are 1.2. So come and mark. Left-hand guy. And then just like that, then you're done with your left view. So this web you won't be able to, okay, you'll see, okay, from here you have this vertical line. It's this thing when you look from that side. Okay, the web you'll be able to see. So the web is 10. So here's my 10. Yeah, now this is the complete assembly drawing. It's complete. So remember, in our case, this one is not here. All they needed was these two parts. So don't forget to name, and also to do the question also said you must do the numbering. So you must number your parts, like which one is this one. So you draw, for example, you draw a line and then number it. Say okay, for example, this one was number 1, so you number it number 1 and then do number 2, just like that. And also you have to do the parts list here on the corner, but only if it's required. Okay, so this is how your drawing is going to look like when you look from the left hand side. This is the pulley, and then this is your nut. When you look the nut from this side, you will see 2 sides. On the front side you will see 1, 2, 3. So that's how it's done. Now I'm done with part 3. Stay tuned. On my next video I'll be doing 2-point perspective, so don't hesitate to ask any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. You can comment guys on my videos. Comment, and then if you have any questions, I'll gladly answer any question. Okay, goodbye. I hope you learned something. And don't forget to do your center lines. Center line. They have marks, these center lines. You see? This is the construction of a hexagon. Here I was doing the nut. And then this is the nut from the left view. You see? This is your fully assembled drawing. Alright, goodbye guys. See you next time.